Shubor naka-Snem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri rang ba ka Sorkar Jilla ukonrat kesangma haga kha sautri kuno pra ulopli u maunong rim na kabanta ban maramat penbhai ka Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium Sports Complex haga nong ba Shillong haga ni kasngi le dan lang menteri ketanat ilakai ba banti dor ling do kumju menteri ketanat border area development ba hamdat sondorling kita khat ka MSOA ki he officer berkiwei ka jingpli uti maunong rim kalong ban maramat ya ka JN Stadium ka bankot hadu lai pesau point sunklor tingka ling bakas state plan balak milanti ban pendap ya ka haunai lur lani urisau jauh Snem arjar puar kad baya ka indoor stadium kemudian cadien ke JN Stadium kadai ke belah tingka da ke new development bank ka blokot hadu Chispark lur tingka kumpa kapau ka ke stadium kadai ke belah nado ke Snem syajar kendai spa prapo Hendra macam lala ban pendap puraya ka kumbalat mu bat menta playa lalai pos Snem kenti te kumta na kalian ka Sorkar Jilla kalak milanti ban Pynkylla dorno ya ka knam kan long ka jingmento ya kinoi la ka Jilla bat kalarai ban sedang no ya ka jing pentrai tang maria sedang Snem thamai bat ban pendap haswa ban kon Snem arjar arpuar
And we are not lacking of everything. We have seen by our own eyes this young student, they have displayed in front of us. And what we need, infrastructure. That is very important. That's why we are here today. Thanks to the song, the welcome song by Lampang Assembly and the team, which is giving us more things to think what we are going to do, what we have to do for the people of the state as a whole. We are here to lay the foundation stone of this project. This project of JN Complex for upgradation and renovation, which is the amount of 34 crores and is the top priority of government of the day under leadership of our dynamic leaders, Shri Conrad Kesangma. And not only this stadium, not only this JN complex for upgradation, but I will love to inform you also, we are going to construct also an indoor multi-complex behind us, which the cost of that indoor multi-complex is 97 crore. Thanks to the government, thanks to our Honorable Chief Minister, who have listened to me, have listened to all of us in the cabinet, especially from the Directorate of Sports, which they have working so hard for the last many months to make this day happen.
was constructed almost 3 decades back in the late 80s. And I remember my late father, Shri P.A. Sangma, mentioning to me a number of times of how when he was Chief Minister, he had come to see the work going on in the stadium, and he would make surprise visits to see how the work was going on. So I'm sure that whoever is going to be working on this can expect that Mr. Bantedor and myself will also come for surprise visits to see the work in the interest of ensuring that it's completed fast. And now after 30 years, finally this place is going to get the facelift and the kind of infrastructure improvement that is required in today's sports arena. And therefore, this particular stadium improvement, which is at about 34.5 crores, and we expect it to be completed by September or late October 2022. And after that, as was mentioned by the Minister, we have, which will be funded by the state budget. But over and above that, we are having an indoor stadium, which will be a world-class stadium, which is going to be funded by NDB, that is the New Development Bank project, which is about 100 crores. Apart from that, you're aware that we have already started the work for sports complex. We're calling it the P.A. Sangma Sports Complex in Tura, which is divided into 2 parts, one outdoor and one indoor, and that also is about 125 crores. We have also started the work for one stadium and sports complex in Natyang in Gente Hills of 25 crores. And apart from that, different smaller projects are going on in different parts of the state, amounting to over 100 crores. So today, as we speak, close to 425 crores worth of infrastructure work only on sports infrastructure is going on as we speak. And this is a major investment and a major boost towards sports infrastructure and towards the sports sector in interest of the youth of our state. Apart from that, as was mentioned earlier, that these complexes will have a number of facilities, including indoor facility for swimming, indoor facility for other indoor games, different kind of offices for the different associations. We'll be having different activities for the youth. So it will not just be a sports complex, but it will be a youth complex. And many aspects related to the youth. Just behind us, below these seats, you're aware that we are running the Prime Hub, which is an entrepreneurship-based program, and it is very much related to the youth. So therefore, we have this complex where we will have not just sports activities, but all activities that are important to the youth of our state.